Let's understand the concept of learning and linking with Lightbeam AI. One of the first things to understand is Lightbeam, even though it's an AI system, it gets deployed in your own environment, within your own network. It means that whatever Lightbeam scans, none of that data or metadata ever leaves your network or your environment. Everything stays inside of your network. With that, let's say you connect Lightbeam to one of your databases or data warehouses. Now, Lightbeam, as it's scanning, it might figure out that this is a table that contains a name, an account type, so what this name is all about, and a driver's license. It looks at this table, it actually goes through this table and figures out that you got John Doe, Jane Doe, Hannah Cooper, and perhaps millions of other names within this table, along with their account type and their driver's licenses. What Lightbeam is doing is actually learning from this table. Internally, we call a table like this as source of truth, because this is telling us what data you as a customer uniquely consider important. A different customer might have a different data set as their source of truth. They might consider a different data set as important. But for you, this is the data that you deem important. As Lightbeam has scanned this, it has created its own metadata map. Now, as Lightbeam goes and maybe scans a random data set within your environment, this could be your document repository, this could be your ticketing system, this could be your logs that you might have. And let's assume that Lightbeam comes across this 6-digit alphanumeric character called Y13650. It doesn't really have any context around this. So most systems will actually just drop this number. Or if it matches a pattern, they will report this, that this is matching maybe some sort of ID or some sort of another information. Not Lightbeam. What Lightbeam does, it actually recognizes that it has come across this number somewhere else. It has come across this number in the source of truth system that it has scanned before. Now, see what happens is that Lightbeam actually links this information that it came across in a random data set of yours. It links this over here, and it automatically figures out that this data belongs to Jane Doe, who is an employee within your system. So now when Lightbeam reports on this number, it says that I have found a file or a ticket where Y13650 was detected. It will actually report saying that this data is actually a driver's license number that belongs to Jane Doe, who is an employee within your system. So all of a sudden you can see how Lightbeam starts putting identity at the center of data discovery. And it helps you strengthen and harden your data security posture, because you're not just being reported on some random 6-digit alphanumeric character. You're actually being told that this number belongs to an employee whose name is Jane Doe. And you can actually put a policy that says, if an employee's driver's license or if an employee's highly sensitive data is actually being detected in a log, either report on that or redact that information or delete that file or archive that file. And Lightbeam can do all of those things for you. So you can see that this learning and linking, this is a unique Lightbeam capability using learning, which is the AI-based learning that Lightbeam is doing, and linking, which is linking the random data set information that's detected with source of truth data that you have trained Lightbeam on. It is able to characterize any random data that it is detecting with much more information that helps you make automated decisions within your environment.